A somber announcement.
Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, downcast but determined, stood at the podium to deliver decisions in two controversial Chicago police killings.
Under Illinois law, an officer is justified in using force likely to cause death or great bodily harm when he reasonably believes that such force is necessary to prevent death or great bodily harm to himself or to other such persons.
She said she was guided by that precept as she weighed whether to criminally charge Chicago police officer Eric Stillman, who shot and killed 13-year-old Adam Toledo during a chase down an alley in Little Village in March of last year.
The police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions.
Police were called to the area after a shot spotter picked up gunfire. That's when they found Toledo and 21-year-old Ruben Roman, both of whom ran.
The timing of these actions was within 1 second.
Officer Stillman immediately sought to help Toledo until paramedics arrived.
We've concluded that there was no evidence to prove that Officer Stillman acted with criminal intent.
In response to the decision, the Toledo family released a written statement through their attorneys, which reads in part, "We are profoundly disappointed. We will continue fighting for Adam." And they filed a civil complaint seeking monetary damages, arguing that the officer's use of deadly force was excessive. In the fatal shooting of 22-year-old Anthony Alvarez on the Northwest Side last March, Fox and her investigators described the foot pursuit in which Alvarez, armed with a gun, ran from cops.
As Officer Solano rounded the corner and observed Mr. Alvarez in a crouching position with a gun in his hand, and also observed Mr. Alvarez looking back at him while running with the gun in his hand, he thought Mr. Alvarez was turning to shoot toward him.
Fox cleared Officer Evan Solano of criminal wrongdoing.
The office has concluded that the evidence in this case is insufficient to support criminal charges against police officer Evan Solano.
But she admonished the officers for stopping Alvarez in the first place. Fox said Alvarez wasn't breaking any law when the officers approached him, but was wanted for traffic violations from the night before.
But it was the escalation of events that get us to our final conclusion. It is the sincere hope that we have de-escalating measures such that we are not putting the officer or the public at risk.
In a written statement, the Alvarez family said, quote, "Family members are committed in their efforts to bring justice for Anthony, which includes holding the Chicago police officers involved in the shooting accountable." And they called Solano's actions reckless and inexcusable. Both cases led to protests and a sustained outcry for the Chicago Police Department to change its foot pursuit policy. Today, in a written statement, Mayor Lori Lightfoot acknowledged the frayed trust between cops and the community, saying, quote, "Trust must be a two-way street between our residents and our officers. That work to build that trust continues." Activists are planning to hold a demonstration tomorrow at noon to voice their displeasure over the state's attorney's decisions. Reporting live tonight in The Loop, Mike Lowe, WGN News.
Thank you, Mike. A police officer from Crest Hill